Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today I'm going to discuss with you about Amazon gated and ungated category. So let me tell you what are the topics which I'm going to cover in this video. So these are difference between gated and ungated category, how install the Funnel Guru Chrome extension, how does the funnel works, how I apply. So, first of all, let me tell you the main difference between gated and ungated category. So, gated category is the one for which you need to submit invoices and additional documents to Amazon, or you can open a case with Amazon. So, in that case, Amazon gets satisfied with you. It will allow you to sell in that gated category. The other option is ungated category. This is the one for which you don't need any invoices or additional documents. So many new sellers they get confused which category they should go for. So the best option for the new seller is either choose ungated category. So you don't need to have invoices or additional documents. So if you want to check the product on a product page, either it is for in gated category or ungated category, you can check it very easily with the free Chrome extension that is the Funnel Guru. So let me tell you how it works. So for this, you need to go to Google Chrome. Just enter here the Chrome extension name, like the Funnel Guru. And then next is click the Funnel Guru Amazon SN Checker. Then it will give you the another option, add to Chrome. Just click this one. And then add extension. Click this. So you will see the Funnel Guru Chrome extension has added here. So you can see here, click on extensions, like here, scroll down. Here is the Funnel Guru Amazon SN Checker. Click here, pin. So you can see your extension on the right top. The next step is open Amazon.com. Here you can see the search bar. You need to enter your keyword here. Like in my case, I'm going to use garlic press. Then press enter. Okay, so we can see some inbox over here, so you can choose only one like this one. I've chosen this one. So now you can see here the next step is apply the extension that I have already downloaded. Just click on this one. You can see the Funnel Guru extension is here. So just one thing you need to keep in mind. So always attach your seller central, then it will work for you. Okay, so here's currently I have not attached my seller central, so that's why it's not working, but I'm going to tell you how it will work for you. So if you are a new user, so you need to sign up here, but if you are an existing user, so just do one thing, enter here your email and then password and then click on sign in, then it will work for you. So what is the purpose of the Funnel Guru? It will show you either this SN is good for you, good to go or not. Okay. So for example, if here's a garlic press. So if you say yes, this is the SN, you can go for this. That means this is ungated category. But when it will show you no, okay, when it will show you the result with no, that means you cannot go for that product category. So this is a simple way you can check gated and ungated category for the product on the same product page. I hope it was easy for you to understand. Thank you.